Alright, so it's time to address the solar panel issue that we have going on here. The avalanche that took our panel away. So good thing is it didn't fall down and hit the snow, but so when I tug on that wire from the inside, it doesn't move. So I'm thinking he sealed it. I hope. If I can avoid going up there, I really want to. It's bad enough going up on a shingle roof, let alone a tin roof, so I'm gonna wait. We got rain coming tomorrow, so if it happens to leak through, I guess I'll have to go up there. But for today, just pull this panel down and assess to see if there's any damage going on, and then plug it into my mess over here. It looks like I'm gonna have to splurge and buy some wire. This is getting a little out of control. I just got wires on wires, plugged into wires. It's just not the greatest setup going on here. Anyways, well, let's try to retrieve this panel and go from there. Good thing is I left that ladder up all through the year, so it shouldn't be frozen to the ground. This freaking sucks, man. Alright, I don't see any cracks. Looks good. So now let's check the back. Come on. Oh, good. Everything's still there. So let's see what this panel actually is. 235 watt. 7.8 amps. That's crazy. This must be an old panel. Those ones are 200s. That's 235. I think it's huge. It's like twice the size of that over there. Alright, well, I guess I'll go bust out some wire and throw it in. So I don't really have a plan for this. Don't really have any space, and I can't get at the roof now because everything's frozen, and I can't put the torch on the roof because it'll burn on the vapor barrier. So I'm kind of stuck with I think I'm just gonna grab that 2x4 and make a backing from there, and then out, and then I'll tee back into that line there with the other panel. Until spring comes around, I can probably fit probably another 2 more panels on there, maybe. Or we build like a solar panel stand somewhere around here. So I got the wires spliced in here just to give me a little bit more length. So let's see how this all works out. So all I did was just wire it all together. This time no butt connectors, no nothing. Just old school. Dangerous, don't do what I do. So everything from there comes in here, and then these two, this one and this one, I just tucked it in there, runs up to the house. Batteries are charged right now, so I can't see what we're charging at as far as amperage. So I guess we're just gonna have to find out tomorrow. And actually tomorrow's raining, so I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be able to really check how this is working for the next little while. But we're out of firewood, so for the rest of the day I gotta cut some wood.